Just say these 6 words and get exactly what you want. I got 100% results every time I used these 6 words. You may not notice it, but today you'll either be healthier or less healthy than yesterday. Your financial situation might change too, making you either richer or poorer, and you won't be the same again. Believe it or not, this method has been embraced by more than 1 million people worldwide, which is significant in itself. Every day, I receive incredible stories about individuals getting raises, selling their homes, experiencing financial miracles, and achieving success beyond their expectations. Today, I want to share this exceptionally powerful technique with you so you can experience financial abundance and prosperity in your life. All I want is for you to keep watching this video till the end, so don't miss any important step because you really need to pay close attention to what I'm going to discuss. If you are new to this channel, be sure to like and subscribe. We experience the world with our senses. We have 5 senses, and the most important are the ability to hear and see. Have you ever wondered how your experiences through these sentences shape your reality and identity? Do words have a harmful impact, or can words affect our lives in a positive way? Maria Richter and other leading neuroscientists observed the subjects' brains, focusing on their reactions to negative words, both auditory and visual. The astonishing part is that during this study, they found that hurtful or negative words actually increase implicit processing in neuroscience. Essentially, this research demonstrated that negative words, even if uttered unconsciously and routinely, trigger the release of stress and anxiety-induced hormones in individuals, and they could measure the resulting changes in the brain. Furthermore, one study published in PubMed, a popular source for neuroscientific and biomedical research, revealed that increased anxiety levels in children were linked to more frequent negative self-talk. This suggests that negative self-talk contributes to the development and persistence of anxiety in children. So, for those of you who are into the New Age movement, this may sound like nonsense. However, it's backed by scientific evidence. Negative words, whether spoken, heard, or subconsciously thought, not only cause stress, but also contribute to long-term anxiety. They have the power to alter the brain and trigger stress hormones, even when those negative thoughts are subconscious. In essence, these studies emphasize the central idea that negative words and negative thinking have a detrimental impact on your brain and body, leading to stress hormones and hindering your ability to attain your goals. Now, moving on to big idea number 2, and remember that big idea number 1 focused on the scientifically proven negative effects. I'm here to support you, so let's dive into big idea number 2, which is about how positive thoughts can change your genes, not your denim genes, but the genes inside your body. Positive thoughts have the power to influence them. Just as those studies revealed how negative thoughts, even if they're only in your mind, can trigger stress and anxiety hormones and alter your brain, you might be wondering what positive thoughts do to your brain, nervous system, genes, and overall life. In their book, Words Can Change Your Brain, Dr. Andrew Newberg, a neuroscientist at Thomas Jefferson University, and Mark Robert Waldman, a communication expert, explore the science behind how words affect your brain. They write, and I quote, "A single word has the power to influence the expression of genes that regulate physical and emotional stress." In the book, they go on to explain that by maintaining positive and optimistic thoughts, you activate the frontal lobe in your brain. This part of the brain includes language centers that directly connect to the motor cortex, which influences your actions and behavior. Their research also suggests that the longer you focus on positive words, the more they influence other areas of your brain. Now, the 6 words I'm about to share have been proven to stimulate the brain and the frontal lobe in a unique way. This reshapes your perception of yourself and the world around you. Essentially, repeating these 6 positive words trains your brain to see the goodness in the world, in others, and in yourself. I started incorporating these specific affirmations into my daily routine. I wrote them down every day, and you can personalize them for your specific goals, like buying a house or a fancy car. For instance, I visualized myself driving a fancy car and relaxing in a luxurious master bedroom. I had this image in my mind, and I talked about it throughout the day. The results were quite astonishing. I managed to buy a house through my hard work. So what are these 6 words, you might be wondering? They are, I am so happy and grateful. You can use those 6 words as they are, simply repeating, "I'm so happy and grateful. I'm so happy and grateful." Alternatively, you can follow my approach and customize them, like, "I'm so happy and grateful now that I'm living my happiest life," or "I'm so happy and grateful I got a raise." The key is to repeat them consistently until they become a habit. Once they become ingrained in your brain as a habit, you won't need to consciously think about it. It transitions from being an exercise to becoming a part of your subconscious operating system. It transforms from something you do into something you naturally are. To make this crystal clear, it's crucial to use these words exactly as they are because they activate your nervous system in the present tense. These words are firmly grounded in the present. They don't merely suggest that you're grateful, they declare that you're happy. So, what's the magic happening here? Your brain starts believing it's real, especially when you personalize and add your unique touch to it. For example, "I'm so happy and grateful that I'm more productive than ever. I'm so happy and grateful now that I'm making $5,000 a month. I'm so happy and grateful that I'm the healthiest version of myself. I'm so happy and grateful that my relationships have never been better, and I'm the best parent and spouse I can be. I'm receiving raises, attracting new clients, gaining new customers, and excelling like never before." My suggestion is to personalize this for your own journey, and I'd love to hear yours. Your positive energy matters to me, and I eagerly await reading your comments. So please, leave a comment below, either with "I'm so happy and grateful," or share your personalized statement, starting with "I'm so happy and grateful now that..." Recall those scientific studies we discussed earlier? What did they teach us? They demonstrated the impact of negative words on your brain and nervous system. But here's an additional insight from psychologists. Around 70% of your subconscious programming is negative and repetitive. Think about that for a moment. Negative and repetitive. This means we've been conditioned to think negatively about money, our self-worth, and our relationships. We've been loaded up with a lot of negative baggage from the world. The good news is that you have the power to change it simply by saying these 6 words and directing them toward yourself. "I'm so happy and grateful that large sums of money come to me quickly and easily. I'm so happy and grateful. Every day in every way, I'm getting happier and happier. I'm so happy and grateful that I'm healthy, full of energy, my body feels great, and I'm in great health." When you incorporate this into your routine, you activate your brain's prefrontal cortex. Your brain takes charge, enabling you to construct a new reality for yourself, one that isn't based on your previous programming, but is instead your ultimate destiny. The fundamental truth is that you are always the compass, capable of making significant changes through a minor vibrational shift right now. All it takes is consistently repeating these 6 transformative words, forming the ideal affirmation for rapid and positive change. Affirmations are not just words, they are tools that can transform your mindset, beliefs, and ultimately, your life. The process of repeating positive affirmations is a form of self-suggestion. When you consistently affirm your desired reality, you reprogram your subconscious mind, which influences your thoughts, actions, and decisions. It's like planting seeds of positivity in your mental garden, and over time, these seeds sprout and flourish. The phrase, "I am so happy and grateful," is a powerful affirmation, and it's essential to understand why it works so effectively. Let's break it down. "I am" signifies the present moment and ownership. You're declaring that you possess the qualities or experiences you desire right now, not in the distant future. "So happy" is about experiencing joy and contentment. It focuses on your emotional state, and by affirming happiness, you attract more positive feelings into your life. And "grateful" emphasizes gratitude, a powerful emotion that cultivates appreciation for what you have and what's to come. Gratitude is a magnet for abundance. The combination of these elements, when repeated regularly, begins to change your thought patterns and inner dialogue. You shift from dwelling on lack or negativity to embracing positivity and abundance. It's like flipping a mental switch to steer your life in a more desirable direction. Incorporating personalization into your affirmations further amplifies their impact. When you personalize your affirmations, you make them specific to your goals and aspirations. For example, "I'm so happy and grateful now that I'm making $5,000 a month," anchors your financial aspirations to your affirmation. This specificity provides clarity and sharpens your focus on your objectives. Additionally, personalization allows you to envision and experience your desired reality in greater detail. When you affirm, "I'm so happy and grateful now that I'm the healthiest version of myself," you're not only declaring good health, but also encouraging yourself to visualize your ideal state of well-being. This vivid mental imagery can be a powerful motivator. The results of regular affirmation practice can be quite remarkable. It's not just about wishful thinking, it's about tapping into the science of neuroplasticity. Your brain is incredibly adaptable and can rewire itself based on your experiences and thoughts. When you constantly repeat positive affirmations, you strengthen neural pathways associated with those affirmations. This process can lead to an enhanced and more optimistic perspective on life. Don't forget to share your thoughts in the comments below. I'm eager to read them and share in your positive energy.